unable to start correctly, 0xc0000604. Click OK to close the application. Close quote. What this error code means, 0xc0000604. This specific error, 0xc00004, typically points to a missing or corrupted DLL dependency, incompatible or unsigned executable, an issue with secure boot plus EA anti-cheat integrity, faulty or blocked bf6event.exe, likely an in-game event/telemetry executable. Exact step-by-step fix for Battlefield 6, error 0xc0000604. Step 1, run as administrator. Open quote, fixes permission denial for bf6event.exe. Close quote. How? 1. Go to your Battlefield 6 install directory. 2. Right-click bf6event.exe. 3. Click Properties, Compatibility, check Run this program as administrator. 4. Apply OK. 5. Try launching the game again. Step 2. Disable secure boot temporarily. Open quote. If bf6event.exe is unsigned or modded, secure boot may block it. Close quote. How? 1. Reboot and enter BIOS UEFI. Usually press Del F2 or ESC at startup. 2. Locate secure boot under Boot or Security tab. 3. Set it to disabled temporarily. 4. Save and exit BIOS. 5. Launch the game. Open quote. If it works after disabling secure boot, the error is due to digital signature enforcement. You can re-enable it after resolving the conflict. See Step 6. Close quote. Step 3. Repair Battlefield 6 via EA app or Steam. Open quote. Fixes corrupted or missing files like bf6event.exe. Close quote. EA app. 1. Open EA app. 2. Go to library, click the icon on Battlefield 6, choose repair. Steam. 1. Right-click Battlefield 6 in library properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. Step 4. Update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Open quote, missing runtime libraries can break executables. Close quote, tau. 1. Download and install all versions from aka.msvs17/redis.x64.exe. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Install both vcredis.x64 and vcredis.x86. 3. Restart PC. Step 5. Whitelist bf6event.exe and antivirus, especially McAfee. Open quote, antivirus tools like McAfee often block small event-based exe files. Close quote. How? 1. Open McAfee settings, real-time scanning. 2. Add exclusion for, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Do the same in Windows Defender if needed. Step 6. Reinstall EA anti-cheat. Open quote, broken anti-cheat hooks cause certain modules to fail loading. Close quote. How? 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Run eanticheat.installer.exe. 3. Select Battlefield 6, uninstall. 4. Then reinstall it and reboot PC. Step 7. Run System File Checker, SFC. Open quote, fix corrupted system files that might affect DLL loading. Close quote. How? 1. Open command prompt as administrator. 2. Run, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Let it complete, restart your PC, and launch the game. Try optional. Try launching without bf6event.exe if safe. 1. Rename bf6event.exe to bf6event.old.exe to launch Battlefield 6. 3. If it works, it confirms the event telemetry is causing the issue. Only do this as a last resort or test. Final notes. This error will likely be patched before or after official release. Do not download modified bf6event.exe files from forums. It could get your account banned. Would you like full YouTube video script? SEO